Way off in the distance there, in front of that marina, you see a jet boat coming in. There's your raincoat you gotta put on. Right along the shore here. Our dock. And there's a jet boat coming in. We'll try to catch them. See docks and try to catch another one taken out. I don't see many people out here. Maybe they're just at the ticket area, the admission area. It's, I believe, 56 for adults, 47 for youth. Hear the rumble of those big 1,500 horsepower engines, Hamilton engines they are, and it takes all this motor's got to go upriver once they get up by that whirlpool area. That is powerful, powerful, powerful currents. There you go, number 14 Whirlpool Jet. Can you believe the Niagara River Coalition is trying to sue these people for using this dock here? And they have been in court since June 30th. I don't know what's going on with that, but I'll fill you in when I find out. But these are a great thing. They're a great attraction. They're the entertainers of the Niagara River corridor here. They do spins and 360s and smash into the waves, fight the currents. Good. Looks like we do have people ready over there, folks. We got another trip out. We got a few. Not really packed today because it was threatening to rain today. But right now it's about a beautiful 25. Gorgeous. There we go. Little 360 there. Kicking in them big engines. They're up. They're going up the Niagara River. Fighting the current all the way right up into the whirlpool. The entertainers of the Niagara River corridor, the jet boats. He's coming from Niagara Lake, and he's heading up to the falls, to the whirlpool, I should say. And we caught him. He's going to do a 360. There they are. A little late today. He's going to do a 360 now. There he goes. Beautiful. Niagara River Jet Boats. 1,500 horsepower Hamilton engines. We're going to go up here.